Introducing the AUET MTM-500-1200DC Torque Tester DC, a cutting-edge solution for your torque testing needs. Engineered by AIMCO, this advanced torque tester combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly features to streamline your quality control processes. With a wide torque range of 5500/121,200 INLB, the AUET/MTM-500-1200 DC can accommodate various applications from small electronic devices to heavy-duty industrial components. Its dual display allows simultaneous viewing of real-time torque and angle values, providing comprehensive insights into your testing data. The integrated SoftwareUSB enables seamless data transfer and analysis, allowing you to store, manage, and evaluate your test results with ease. This torque tester offers multiple testing modes, including peak, breakaway, and cycle testing, to cater to different testing requirements. The AUET/MTM-500-1200 DC comes with interchangeable transducers, providing flexibility to test a wide range of torque capacities. With an accuracy of ±0.5% of reading and a resolution of 0.1 INLB, this torque tester delivers precise and reliable measurements. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AUET/MTM-500-1200 DC Torque Tester DC W/SoftwareUSB. Its wide torque range, dual display, software connectivity, and interchangeable transducers make it an indispensable tool for quality control professionals across various industries. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience precision, versatility, and efficiency in your torque testing processes.